Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this amazing cherry cake. Really easy to prepare and it's season now, so I will show you step by step how to make it. For this I'm gonna need sugar or stevia in my case. And I will let all ingredients here on the screen and in the description box. Milk, sunflower oil, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, the juice and the zest from 1 lemon, and 2 cups of fresh cherries. First, I remove the pit from the cherries. I'm gonna mix them with vanilla extract and about 1 tablespoon of flour. Grate the zest of the lemon and use only the yellow part because the white one is bitter. And after you can juice it. Mix flour with baking powder and set it aside. And in a bowl, mix 1 egg with a pinch of salt. I use the whisk. And add after that sugar or stevia powder, add oil. I use sunflower oil, but canola or vegetable oil is just fine. Add lemon zest, and this cake is gonna be really flavorful. and the juice from one lemon is gonna go in our batter as well. Add flour now and alternate it with the milk, but from all this flour you should reserve about 2 or 3 tablespoons for later use. Incorporate good the flour and that milk. Fold in the cherries that we mixed with vanilla extract and flour in the beginning of the recipe, and preheat the oven at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Pour the batter in a bread tin or loaf tin that I lined with baking paper, and level the batter with the spatula. And the rest of the flour that we saved up, I'm gonna mix it with about 2 tablespoons of sugar or stevia. I'm using stevia, and about 50 grams of melted butter. I melted these in the microwave. This mixture, I'm gonna break it in smaller pieces and add it over the cake. As you can see, I just break it in smaller pieces and place it on top of the cake. I'm gonna bake all of this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You should do the toothpick test to make sure that the cake is fully baked. Take it out from the dish and let it cool down. It's a really easy cake and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. And until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.